तेरा ठीक है सब? तेरा?
Whatever I'm doing, I feel it's His blessing. I just want to give them whatever I've got from my Guruji. The same tradition should continue. I wanted to be totally into dance, but I was not, because that is what my tradition taught me, that I have to be a good housewife.
जब मुझे चेत हुआ तो मैंने पाया कि हाय, ये सीमा कैसी। मैं तो वो हूँ जिसे दिग्वधु कहते हैं, कालवधु। समय और दिशाओं की सीमाहीन पगडंडियों पर अनंत काल से अनंत दिशाओं में तुम्हारे साथ साथ चलती चली आ रही हूँ, चलते चली जाऊंगी।
Have I written my own destiny? Sometime during Diwali, my father rang me up and gave me courage to go back to India. He almost cried and said, "You don't have to worry about the society and you're not at fault. Why are you avoiding your own people? Please come back. I will always be there to support you."
See, it took a long time for her to cope. In fact, she was still hoping for almost another 6 months, and she wanted to find out what exactly was the cause. She really had to undergo a lot of ordeals actually, which she can, because the person whom she was with for 16 years and long, and then whom she used to take so much care, she really felt cheated.
Her creative thinking is absolutely out of the world. Her style of dancing, her way of teaching is so clear and so true. She is extremely good to everyone. I mean, no matter who that person is, she's extremely warm and extremely nice to that person. Even when she's angry, she's so calm and composed, and she will convey whatever she wants to convey in a right way.
But why am I feeling a spasm in my abdomen? Is it the tension of landing on a foreign land?
The moment I saw the report at my table, I just saw it and I could not believe my eyes. मुझे डाउट था कि ये वही रिपोर्ट है क्या. I was crying in my own heart. I think I didn't know what to do. I was in the department. I told Shubhda, then I met her. I think she was stunned. Because Shubhda is such a person, when you look at her, tears will never roll down her eyes, but she will take it in such a strong stride,
Mrs. Shubhda, I met her probably 10 years back, and meeting her for the first time, of course she was very courageous. She was bold when she knew about what she was going through. But I think after we discussed about her problem, about the treatment, the side effects, the first thing she asked me was, will I be able to continue dancing or doing what I'm doing?
मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस था कि वो नहीं रहेगा, कुछ सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
For her, actually, it was so difficult because it was like a second blow on her. First was, of course, my separation, divorce, and then again this happening in my life. On the first day when she heard about it, she cried. That was the only day she cried. And then she learned, I think, to hide her tears from me.
recollect Dr. Sudeep's warning to me about this effect of losing sensation beneath my feet and palm. This type of detachment of our sensory system is the last thing I could have imagined happening to me.
One of the drugs that we were wanting to use in her chemotherapy regimen, and that drug is called paclitaxel. But one of its peculiar side effects is essentially some bit of a damage to the peripheral nerves that are responsible for the normal feeling of sensation as well as power. And it most often affects the fingers and the toes in a glove and stocking sort of a distribution.
She used to tell Dr. Sudeep Gupta, I have a performance after 5 days, what do I do? She said, it's very difficult, your legs are not in order, you're getting these things, you have to see, but still you try. She took it and she did it. She did not miss any performance. Let me tell you, when I used to see a performance, tears used to roll down my eyes. Me and my wife, we have gone to several of her performances. And being such a person who had some problems, health problems, she is doing live on the stage.
My makeup is usually very good and I always get compliments for that. But today my hand is trembling. No way. I cannot mess up with my makeup at any cost. My reputation is at stake. People compliment me as beautiful classical dancer from India.
Span of life moving towards death. But still, what is that energy holding me in this world? What happened? Are you all right? And there she was. She got up and there was no hair, not at all. But then that day it was really hard hitting for everyone.
I have to close my classes for 6 months. No income. Whatever I had earned in London is spent on my surgery.
I think the chemos used to be once in a month for 3-4 months. So she used to take the chemo cycle, rest for 1 week, and then immediately take up a performance. That was really something, because it is not easy. We read, we hear so many people fighting cancer, and we know how it feels, how much pain it is, and the pain which you can't share with anyone. In the entire process, she never stopped dancing. That kept her going as well as family going, because we knew, okay, till the moment she's dancing, everything is all right.
Today is a day of celebration, the last day of external radiation. This pain, it has opened up my mind. After going through the mental pain, physical pain, psychological suffering. I have gone inwards. And I think the whole world is in our body.
व्रजे व्रजे कमण्डनं समस्तपापखण्डनं भवेत् सनन्द नन्दने भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान् भवे भवे सुभक्तिमान्
करतक गनि गनि धा करतक गनि गनि धा करतक गनि गनि धै धै